I wonder if she never looking glass of your yard. Because I'm sure if she looking there, you know, it would have must broke up.
You're definitely not feeling pain. Just move on, let me deal with someone else.
Why? Why? Nurse, this put on 20 pound the card.
Excuse me?
All right, add 5 more to it.
Sir, please.
All right, mount it up to 36.
46 would be more realistic.
You know that cotton tree where them used to have out a ferry there? Eh? The whole cotton tree were broke down. How it dead and you still standing is a miracle to me, because I show you wholer than that cotton tree.
To deal with ignorance, one must exercise patience.
Is that me trying to do, you know, nurse? But it hard.
Lord help me. Please take off those North Pole clothes and keep on your pants and shirt only.
Them is not North Pole clothes, it's England them come from.
Near enough.
No, sister pain hotter than 9 day love.
Sir, you just have to wait your turn.
Wait me turn and dead? Oh, what a heartless woman doing. Is that them teacher training school? To be uncompassionate to somebody who is suffering and in pain and need relief?
Just relax. It's not as bad as you're making it out to be.
Oh, you know. Oh. That is not as bad as me making it out to be. You inside of me. Why? The pain. Nurse, if the pain get to my brains, me can mad. No. Me am mad. Oh, me am mad. Why? Me mad now. Doctor, nurse, give me something to ease the pain now.
Sir, be quiet. You're not the only patient here feeling pain.
But I'm not
patient.
like that, man. Me not patient. All I do is come here to get a little medicine to ease my pain.
Just bear your pain quietly.
Hi, good afternoon, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, what's your initial?
Sasha.
Are you alias, eh?
Yes, Sasha.
Sasha. All right, Sasha, go on with your thing. What your secret?
So, I'm now engaged to my ex-fiance's father.
Oh, hold on, no, wait, because the one you bought me, wait there, Sasha. Almighty to the Lamb. Sasha, you're engaged. You know, so just that. I have a collection plate over here. So you're now engaged to your what?
My ex-fiance's father.
Your ex-fiance father. So you take you take the son and the father.
Yeah,
So,
friend, so
you take your friend, so you take back theme father.
yeah.
And you see, you are the second national heroine.